friends, welcome to Code Generator. I hope you are all doing fine and well. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you the difference between Django and Node.js. Before moving on to the difference, let me give the introduction. So, let's start with Django. So, let's see. Django, it's an open source Python based web framework that allows you to create web applications. Django was created by the Django program establishment within the year 2005 and planned by Adrian Holvati and Simon Wilson. The most includes of Django is high-level Python web framework, as this system gives the perfect way to plan the application. It is based on the guideline of don't rehash yourself. Django put out the most noteworthy level category among the different Python system for creating web applications or websites. So now let's see what is Node.js. So Node.js is an open source and cross-platform runtime environment for executing JavaScript code outside the browser. It was developed by Rain Dahl in 2009. It was composed in C, C++ and JavaScript. In other words, we can say that Node.js should be JavaScript stage that capacitates like the web server that permits engineers to compose total and exceedingly versatile web applications utilizing JavaScript. So, let's see the difference now. So, coming to the first difference, that is, in Django is a programmed in Python. It's a Python application, whereas Node.js is written in C, C++ and JavaScript. It gives us 3 languages. So next, Django is an open source Python based web framework to design web application, whereas Node.js is an open source framework that runs on JavaScript. It is for developers whose motive is to build strong APIs, that is application program interfaces on the client side as well as on the web applications. So next comes to Django. It follows model template view architecture, which helps handling data for validating and interacting. Whereas Node.js follows event-driven programming. It runs on any operating system. So Django has its own Python, whereas Node.js can run on any operating system, that is Ubuntu, Windows or anything. So let's come to the next point. Django does not offer full stack development. So full stack development means front end, back end and middleware. Whereas Node.js, we can create both front end and back end parts if it is more preferred for technologies for web application development. So let's see next point. Django is more secure and comes with the built-in system and preventing any security deficiency. Whereas Node.js is not as secure as Django. When compared with Django, Node.js is not secured much and requires manual operations in the system to manage security flaws. So it requires manual support, whereas Django is self-automated. So next, Django. This framework offers limited flexibility and has quite strict development features, where when it comes to Node.js, we can even build JS-based applications from scratch, thanks to the vast JavaScript library. So JavaScript is vast library and it has many library inputs when compared to Python and Django. Django is more complex as the developer has to follow the specified path for solving the problems, whereas In Node.js, system is less complicated. Here, the developer has to freehand to solve the problem, so you can easily maintain this. So, in Django, it is a modern and behind Node.js in the utilization. When it comes to Node.js, is utilized broadly in numerous nations and hired competitively. So, I hope you liked this video and it was informative. If you have any questions or queries, you can contact us in Instagram, Facebook, Gmail, or you can also comment in the comment section. For more videos, please like, share and comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.